Hello dear students, today we'll have Unit 1 Around Town, Lesson 3. Let's start. By the end of this lesson you will be able to know the meaning of some new vocabulary and have revision on present simple tense for scheduled events, timetable and future plans. The first word that we have, the first vocab, is the word poster. This is something like poster. It's a picture or an advertisement that we hang on walls or something, or hang even in a site. So it's a large printed picture used for decoration or for advertising. Map. I think we all know the map. This is a map, and sometimes we use a map to give direction to a certain place. Map. Space. Do you know space? Yeah, this is space, the picture of space. Yeah, we have the sun, the moon, stars, studying about these things. This is studying about the space, the atmosphere, all these things. Space. Journey. What do we mean by journey? Yeah, those people are traveling. Yeah, they are traveling from their city, from their country to another city or to another country. So this is what we call, they make a journey. They are in a journey. So it's an act of traveling from one place to another, from one city to another, from one country to another, and so on. Journey. Exhibition. What do we mean by exhibition? If you look here, it's a place, or it's a gallery where we just display some good pictures or photos or important things or things of interest. These are exhibitions. So it's a public display of works of art, or even display of important items held in an art gallery if it is work of art, or or in a museum if it is about important items. Exhibition. The train platform. Yeah, if you look here, this is a train and people are waiting on the platform. This is the platform. People are waiting on the platform, or they are getting into the train from this platform. So it's a raised area next to a railway track where passengers wait for trains, and they can go in the train from this platform. So platform. Stops. What do we mean by stops? Yeah, from the word stop. Stop in a certain place, don't move. So this is where the train or the bus stop in order to get people. These are stops, places where trains stop or buses stop to get passengers. The points where buses or trains stop to pick up or even drop off passengers. There is an important expression that I'd like you to take care of and to be careful about using it, how to use it. Look forward to. Look forward to is an expression, or it's a verb actually, that we use to talk about something in the future. I look forward to seeing you soon. I look forward to seeing you soon. This means I hope I will see you soon. So this is the meaning of look forward to. But the most important thing is that after look forward to, we use the verb plus ing. Verb plus ing. I look forward to seeing you soon. See plus ing. I look forward to meeting you soon. So this is the verb meet plus ing. Be careful about using look forward to. Yeah. Now we'll talk about the present simple tense, but we are not going to talk about it in details because you already know about the present simple tense, but we will add a point which is the fact that we sometimes use the present simple tense to talk about scheduled events, future plans, or timetables. They are similar to each other, but we use the present simple for these situations. Let's have some examples to explain what we mean. If I say the train arrives in Cairo at 8:15, this is the time of the train. It arrives at this time every day, or on this specific day every week. So the train arrives in Cairo at 8:15. This is a scheduled event. Scheduled event. There is a schedule for the trains that we can find in the station there, with these events, with these times and trains, a number of trains that arrives and leaves at that specific time. So this is the scheduled event. This is what we mean by scheduled event. If we say the meeting begins at 6 o'clock tomorrow, so this means that we plan to start the meeting at 6 o'clock tomorrow. So this is our plan for tomorrow. This is a future plan. So for future plans, we use the present simple. We don't use will or something like this. No, we use the present simple because it is something like schedule. Yeah, we put it in a schedule or a plan for tomorrow or for the future. So the meeting begins in the present simple at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Another usage too is if we say our first lesson tomorrow is math. So if I talk about my first lesson tomorrow, this is this means that I'm talking about the timetable, the school timetable, or my class timetable, where we put the first lesson is this one, the second lesson is that one. So the first lesson is math, the second is English, the third is science, and so on. So this is a timetable. If I talk about the information in the timetable, I use the present simple. Yeah, here we use, where is the verb? Is, and it is in the present simple. Very good. So our first lesson tomorrow is math. This is the using the present simple tense to talk about the timetable. Yeah, this is a link, but unfortunately you cannot use it from this video. But in order to use it, please contact me on my email and I will send you the link to try to enjoy doing these exercises. They are nice and very useful exercises for you. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for you and see you soon, my darling.